Creating a new project. Follow the given steps to create a new project. Step 1. Click on File tab. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Select New. A new project will open. Creating a Scratch project. Let us now create a script to make the two sprites move and talk to each other. Step 1. Click on the cat sprite. Drag the Looks speech bubble block to the coding area. Type the message in the text box of the block. Step 2. Click on the mouse sprite. Drag the Looks speech bubble block to the coding area. Type the message in the text box of the block. Step 3. Click on Motion block and drag the block to the coding area. When you bring this block below the speech block, it will attach itself. Change the number of steps to 20 in the text box of the block. Step 4. Click on the event block and add it to the top. Step 5. Click on the green flag and see your cat and mouse talk and move.